So this key is doing an audible click when I press it. It used to be when I released it, click. You cannot hear it anymore because I kind of fixed it. Click, click, and you could feel it in the finger. But it didn't happen when I pressed the key next to it. Here it was okay. So what I did is I removed everything up there. To remove everything up there, I had to remove something there before. And here, okay. There, you can see or you cannot see, but there is a tiny piece of tape, or I'm not sure what it is, but there is a tiny piece of plastic there, here, and it's slightly shifted to the left, and I just managed to, with a paper cutter, I moved it back to the right so that it doesn't scratch the key next to it. It's almost impossible to see, but it fixed it. It was very annoying.